Part 2. You will notice that as you slow it further, you will no longer feel the need to act on old patterns, old emotions, or old thinking. If this doesn't arise naturally, you will deliberately choose not to act on these patterns. You are reaching closer to ground zero. You are now slowing this moving train. As you do, you will notice things change. Before, everything was going so fast, you hardly noticed the details of the scenery. The plants were just plants, but now you see something different. You appreciate life, and you're not just getting lost and caught up in the naming and identification aspect of life. Life slowly becomes enhanced and enchanted. It is becoming more special to you in some way, because what seems, for the first time in a long time, you are finally slowing down while you're on the train. You are becoming present. You notice the trees moving in the wind, how vibrant everything is becoming, how sharper in detail. You notice the world up close versus only focusing on the far away, what you would call future. Here is just a small list of the many things that are out there to help you slow even further, to help you reach ground zero. Dance, art, walks in nature, hikes, camping, prayer, ceremony, music, allowing yourself and releasing emotion, listening to or creating affirmations, listening to motivational speakers, reading, having positive mentors in your life, good tantric sex, psychedelic music, art festivals, traveling, playing an instrument, writing, journaling, rituals, herbs and plant-based superfood diets, crying, imagining, playing, exercise, meditation, qigong, tai chi, ecstatic dance, insightful and inspirational conversations with self, simple walks around your neighborhood, days of silence, fasting, Reiki, massage, and the list goes on. All of this contributes to the slowing of this train. Furthering daily meditation, days of yoga, giving yourself space and time for crying and laughter or releasing steam further slows this train. Psychedelics, yes, all of these slow your moving self. And if you notice, the whole world is naturally taking these steps. There's a sort of intuition within the collective that urges us to slow down. But this is a different topic. Making it a practice to integrate these activities in your life in some way will help you slow this moving train north. But first, we must reach ground zero. And remember, you have all the space and time you'll ever need.